Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change a single color design to multiple colors in Cricut Design Space. I already inserted my design example, so let's get started. I'm going to start with the design here on the left, and on this one I'm just going to change the spoon to a different color. To do this, I'm going to select the design, I'm going to duplicate it, and to make sure this all stays aligned, I'm going to select both copies and then come up here to where it says align, and I'm going to center them horizontally and vertically. I'm going to hide the top one by clicking the eye right here. So now on this bottom one, we just want to get rid of the spoon. So we're going to select the design and hit contour. And here's where you click on whatever piece you want to hide or show. So we're going to hide the spoon. And as you can see over here, it darkens, like this whole square turned a different shade of gray. So that's how you can tell if you've selected the correct pieces. And then we can just X out of that. So now I'm going to hide this one and view the top one. So now we want to get rid of everything except the spoon. So we're going to contour again, and you can actually click on hide all contours here. So we hide everything. And as you can see, for some reason it didn't select short, so I'm going to add that to it. And then we want to see the spoon. Okay. So now I'm going to view this other one again. And as you can see, we now have two pieces, 1 and 2. So I'm going to change the spoon color. And let's just make this like a wooden spoon shade. And I hate how Cricut does the outline in black on these. So I'm going to change this to a print so that it takes that off. Okay, that design is done. I'm going to just go ahead and group it. Now let's move on to the second design. On this one, I think I'm going to change the star to a different color and the spatula. So I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this design, and actually I don't think I need to align this one because this one's going to be pretty simple as well to move forward. So I'm going to hit contour, and we want to completely get rid of the spatula and the star. Okay. Now I'm going to hide this. And on this one, we want to hide everything except for the spatula and star. You see how the star is a lighter gray now? That's what you're looking for. Okay. And if you want to make these two separate colors, the star one color and the spatula another color, you're going to have to do the same thing as before. You're going to have to duplicate it and then contour each piece out. So now the spatula is separated. On here, let's get rid of the spatula. Okay, now we have the star. So let's view our design again. Let's add this back. Let's change this to a red color. Let's change our star to this golden color. And once again, I'm just going to change this to a print so that I get rid of the outline. And that looks good to me, so I'm going to group it. And you can be done here. Now, since everything has been changed to your liking, you can click on Make It and a different mat will show up for each color that you have in each design. But I'm going to go ahead and show you these on a mock-up so that you get the idea of the finished product. And I actually just did a video on how to use mock-ups in Design Space. So if you need to watch something on how to do that, I'll go ahead and link that video in the description box for you. And there you are. Both of my designs are done. That's all you have to do to change your design to multiple colors. I hope this tutorial was easy to follow. If you have any questions, please leave them below. As always, I'll add links in the description box so you can find these files if you want them. Be sure to download our free PDF with today's instructions on them as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.